Pregnancy begins with conception or fertilization during sexual intercourse. The sperm swims from the vagina through the cervix into the uterus and up the fallopian tubes. If an ovum is present in a fallopian tube, the first sperm that reaches the ovum can penetrate it. A fertilized ovum is called a zygote. After the zygote forms, it begins dividing first into 2 cells, then 4, then 8, and so on, as it travels down the fallopian tube to the uterus as a journey that takes 3 to 4 days.
6 or 7 days after fertilization, the blastocyst attaches itself to and becomes embedded in the uterine lining, which has been thickening to receive the blastocyst. This process takes a few days. From the time of implantation until about the 8th week of development, an implanted blastocyst is called an embryo. Then embryo grows rapidly during the first 5 weeks. At 6 weeks, your baby's arms and legs are budding, and the fetus, which is considered the unborn baby.
The symptoms are very similar throughout the first 6 weeks. The symptoms are usually nausea, fatigue, morning sickness, mood swings, and tender breasts. Women usually found out that they are pregnant because they didn't have their period for a whole month. You are recommended to eat fiber and drink water so you're not constipated. And don't drink alcohol because it could cause the baby problems in the future. And consume less than 300 milligrams of caffeine daily.
The questions that we have for the video are, what are some of the symptoms, and how do women usually find out they are pregnant?